Hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Live or Diecast. On today's episode, we are going to be working on a 55 Chevy Bel Air gasser. And we're going to be doing a wheel swap on this bad boy. I think I have got a perfect set of wheels that are going to look absolutely wonderful on this. So we are first going to start by taking it out of the package. After I do the wheel swap, I will be placing it back in the card and sealing it back up. So we're going to take our time and we're going to open this card up nice and neatly. And then once we get it out of here, we will get our drill bits and our taps and our screws, and we will get ready to do a wheel swap and have some fun. Hope everybody's had a wonderful, wonderful day. Again, I want to thank you for tuning in to Live or Diecast, commenting on my videos, interacting with my channel. Very much appreciated. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, so we've got this coated, and we're going to let that sit. Alright, let's get this bad boy out of there. Set that to the side. Alright, there it is. Pretty cool looking, right? I'm going to do some details, put some tail light details. I'm going to put some headlight details, do some details underneath, and then we're going to do a wheel swap on this bad boy. So stay tuned, stick around. We're going to go drill this thing out. Now we will do some detail work under here with our paint markers, but not right yet. Alright, so we got our wheels and tires extracted from our chassis. Now we're going to separate our interior and glass and set it to the side. And we are going to take our number 51 drill bit, and we are going to drill some pilot holes for our screws. Alright, got our pilot holes drilled for our screws, and now we're going to tap some threads in those using our number 52 plug tap. Alright, let's get us a couple of screws and let's run those in and make sure everything is going to fit. There's the part number on the screws that I use. I absolutely love them. They work out great. We're going to run these in and just make sure that the threads that we made in our pilot holes for our screws, make sure everything fits nice before final assembly. And again, these wheels, you guys, I think they're going to look amazing. So I hope you stick around to see the final result. All right, and there's our screws. So they go in nicely. So we're going to take those back out and set those to the side. And we are going to do some detail work with tail lights, headlights, do some details underneath on the chassis. So stay tuned, stick around, we'll be back. All right, so we're back. We have put some details on our engine here. We have put some details underneath the chassis there. And we have added some headlights. And some tail lights. Now we are going to choose our wheel donor, and I believe this one right here is the Ninja Turtle van. This is the one we are going to use today. I think these wheels are going to look super good on this gasser. So let's get to it. Let's drill this. Let's get the wheels extracted. Let's get them on the gasser. We'll be back to show you the final result. Stay tuned. Yeah, I think these wheels are going to look really good on this gasser. All right, let's get it drilled out.